These are all customized belt buckles, featuring a variety of plating combinations and finishing styles, each one showcasing the unique charm of fine metal craftsmanship. The first buckle features a classic antique silver plating, delivering a timeless and refined texture with well-defined surface detailing perfect for designs with a vintage aesthetic. The next two buckles share the same mold but differ in plating. The left one uses a layered finish of antique copper over antique silver, resulting in a darker, richer tone ideal for traditional and heritage-inspired pieces. The right one is finished with a chrome blue plating, offering a cooler, sleek, and clean surface, perfect for a minimalist or tech-inspired look. Finally, we present two buckles that combine antique silver with gold tone plating. One pairs antique silver with antique gold for a soft, subtle contrast and a more muted vintage look. The other combines antique silver with shiny gold, producing a brighter, more luxurious finish with a stronger visual impact. Ready to bring your custom belt buckle ideas to life? Reach out to us today for more details and plating suggestions.